Today I'm going to teach you how to add Wise to Upwork. This is particularly useful if you want to withdraw your Upwork earnings directly to your Wise account, which can save you on international transfer fees and give you better exchange rates. Let's walk through the setup process together. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Sign in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to start configuring your withdrawal method. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Settings. This will take you to the main hub where you can manage all aspects of your Upwork account. Once you're in the Account Settings area, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll see various options for managing your account. Click on Withdrawals. This section is where you'll manage how you receive payments from Upwork, and it's exactly where we need to be to add Wise as a withdrawal method. On the Withdrawals page, you'll need to click on Add a Method. This button opens up all the available options for receiving your payments. Upwork offers several withdrawal methods, but we're going to set up a specific one that works with Wise. From the available options, look for Direct to US Bank. Right beside this option, you'll see a button that says Set Up. Click on it to begin the process of connecting your Wise account. This method works because Wise provides you with US bank account details that Upwork can send money to. Now you'll need to fill in some important information. Start by entering your account holder name. This should match the name on your Wise account exactly to avoid any issues with the transfer. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu where you need to select your account type. Choose the appropriate option from the drop-down. This is typically checking or savings depending on how your Wise account is configured. Now comes the crucial part where you'll connect your Wise account. You'll need to type in the Wise routing number and account number. These details can be found in your Wise account under the US dollar balance section. Make sure you enter these numbers carefully, as any mistakes could delay your withdrawals or cause them to fail. After you've entered all the required information, click on Add Bank Account. Upwork will process this information and add Wise as one of your withdrawal methods. You should now be able to use this method to receive your earnings from Upwork directly into your Wise account. And that's it. You've successfully set up Wise as a withdrawal method on Upwork, giving you more flexibility in how you receive your payments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.